Hello guys, I am back with another video. I made these beauties. Okay, on the back, try to get it close up. On the back there's some little dents there where I didn't pour the resin first, and I want to go ahead and get those back together. So you can see there's a little tree inside, but I also have some gold, just a little tip of gold in there. But I made two of them and I got to make the other one. I am going to put these back in the mold. I already have resin placed down for these two, and right here I placed some resin down, and I'm gonna go ahead and create the other two along with. So I'm just gonna drop this in carefully. I'm just gonna drop it in, I say. So I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do the next one, which I have here. And now I have got to get my okay. I bought that from Walmart. Very cheap. And what I do with this, I just take and find me, I don't want to hold it over what I've done, you guys, so I gotta cut it from over here to the side. I just take and find me a nice one that I like to use, and I think I found two that are fitting for what I'm doing. Okay, now I think on this one, since I have a little tail kind of thing going on right there, I'm gonna put this one here, and then I'll take this one, and it really doesn't matter, but I'll take this one and put it here. Okay, and let's start putting some rocks in so that it will hold these tails down, because I noticed that when I put the other ones in, I put the rocks in first and it wasn't quite holding my tails down, and I was like, oh boy, I think I got a mess. But doing it this way, I think, is a better way, as long as I get to share with you guys to show you how it was done. These rocks I colored as well, so I try to do a lot of stuff myself, y'all. I'm telling you, it's a lot cheaper if you can find a way to learn how to do it. It is so much cheaper to do it that way. Okay, and I'm gonna gently pat those down into that. So I'm just gonna take these and push them on in there. I've got to get my toothpick and just slide what I want over to the edge. Just slide it ever so lightly, because what we're doing here, we're gonna end up letting these rocks somewhat hold the tree down. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure that those are down. Okay, and now we're gonna move on to our other rocks, which I made these as well. But I was going for a rose gold, and it looks nice. It's okay. I end up liking the color that I made. So what I did, I don't mind at all, because it really turned out nice. Okay, pat those down. Little pat down. Nice little pat down, y'all. I'm trying to hurry up before my battery completely dies. So if I look like I'm just throwing this stuff in there, I'm really am throwing it in there because I want to make sure that I get this recorded. Because I liked the way they turned out. Okay. Now we're going to try to pat these down and try to slide a little bit of them out of the way so that we can still see the tree that it's there. Which is kind of hard to see the tree anyway, but it's there, it's cute, it's doing its thing. I like it. Pour a little bit in a cup. Okay, I poured some in a cup, and I'm gonna take my glitter, which is like it's a pink glitter, and I'm gonna pour some in my cup. Stir this glitter up. Okay. And now what I'm gonna do, just gonna pour it in. Over the rocks, over the tree, all over everything, okay? Because you'll have to watch this for a minute because the bubbles coming from the rocks, they'll be so disrespectful. Oh, you'll have many bubbles coming from under those rocks. I'm trying to hurry up, guys, because I think my battery is like 10%. My charger is in the house, so I do want to get this part done for you. At least show you how I did the gold on top. Shake it up really good, and let's just pop a little bit of these bubbles so I can see what's going on. I don't want to burn my mold at all. Okay. I'll still end up having to do a lot of popping. I mean, they're gonna just keep coming back. But okay, now that I have my gold inside of, well, I'm gonna put it in my cup here, and it's gonna take just a couple of drops. Okay, and when I do these couple of drops, I will take and put it in just a little like this, just so that it can add a little character to it. Okay, I don't want very much of it, but as long as it give it some character. Okay, just having a little bit is all it takes. Okay, that's all I'm gonna do. Same thing over here, just a little. Nothing major, just add a little bit here or there, and that's it. I don't want to add any more to it. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to work on this, but because my battery is about dead, I am gonna let you guys go and let you see the finishing results.